Hey guys, Pretzel here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Jakks Pacific's King Ghidorah. Try to ignore all the noise that's out there. I unfortunately am not living alone or anything like that, so you kind of have to deal with it. Where's the scissors? Where did I put this over there? So I was able to get some money, and I saw him at Walmart. The first time I went to Walmart and checked and see if they had, he was actually sold out, which is pretty cool to know that these kind of figures are being sold out. But I went back yesterday and they had them, and now I just went back again to buy him. So here we are. I am able to get some more money. The review for the Rodan should, I don't know when that's going to come out, hopefully like around next week or the next 2 weeks or something like that. I don't know. Hopefully soon when I get him. But I also want to say that I may or may not be able to get a SH Monster Arts figure in the upcoming future. Due to me earning money. But in the meantime, we have him, so we might as well open the box, figure out how to open the box, because I have no idea. Put the tails on Ghidorah. Hopefully I don't need a freaking blow dryer. No, I do not. I do not need a blow dryer. What? Better not be a problem. I'm gonna be mad if it is. But I can't get the other freaking tail on. Come on. The hole is like too small or something. It legit is. Maybe it's supposed to be on. Yeah, it is. Okay. I think. Anyways. Yeah, because that hole is a lot more smaller. Pretty sure. Oh, there we go. Finally. Damn it. What the heck, man? Well, apparently mine is deformed or broken. As you can tell, this one right here, this little piece right here is broken off or something like that. I'm not sure what I can really do. I don't know if I can take it back and try to get a different one. Unless there's a way to fix it, which I doubt. So yeah, that really freaking sucks. But anyways, we'll get in that kind of stuff later. First we'll look at the Argo jet. Looks pretty cool. Probably should move out of the way so you can get a better look at it. It's very bendable, so you know, it won't break easily, which is pretty cool. We also have the building. I'll try to put together. Right there. That's pretty nice. Good detailing, I guess. Though the color for it isn't exactly realistic, but you know, it's whatever. It's a kid's toy, so don't expect it to be, you know, all handy dandy. And out of that, we'll be looking at Ghidorah. Not terrible, minus this problem, but could be worse. I was thinking about getting the SH Monster Arts Ghidorah, but I'm not going to, mainly because of the fact that I don't want to risk end up, like, you know, breaking the figure, because you know, SH Monster Arts usually has problems, so I don't want to open it up and like have like all the heads fall off or something like that, or the wing fall off, and yeah. But I didn't expect this one to end up breaking, but you know, this wing comes off. I'm not sure what I'm going to be able to do about that. If any of you guys have any suggestions, please let me know down in the comments below. But I may just take them back and see if I can get like a refund or something. But yeah, that's kind of sucks. But anyways, details isn't terrible, but you know, it could be better, of course. The paint job, you know, could be better, but you know, it's cheap toy, so you know, it's not, you know, it's not good, but it's not terrible. I really like this thing, to be honest. I didn't think I was gonna like it, and your wings won't stay up. Though, of course, this figure is mainly based off of concept art due to this being here, and kind of like the furish type stuff on the heads. The details, you know, are pretty good. I'd say the best part of the details are in the head. Everything else is pretty plain, you know, just a little bit of sculpting. The back looks pretty cool, though, I will say. The tails look cool. Articulation. The heads can basically go 360. Well, I mean, I think the only one that really can is Kevin. So, but yeah, you can make Kevin go 360, and his head does pop off fairly easy, which isn't exactly perfect. All the heads can kind of go 360, but these two heads, you know, get kind of caught in each other, so it's kind of hard to. But you can move those a lot. And there goes the wing again, popping off. I'll just put that over here for now. The wings can do this, of course. The tails, both individual, obviously, because I have to put them both in, and they can turn 360 around. You can't really turn them this way because it gets stuck on the tail, but you can basically turn it 360. And the last points of articulation is the feet. They can kick up and kind of go back a little bit. And maybe you have like a little bit of movement right there, but I'm pretty sure that's just like how the plastic is. And you can have them in the Rodan attack position, like when he's about to attack Rodan. You know, flying toward them. But yeah, kind of sucks that the wing is like that. I'm not sure what I'm gonna have to do about that. But I don't know. Maybe I'll be able to figure something out. Chances are I'll probably just take them back and try and get a refund. I don't know, but I did kind of damage the box a little bit, so I don't know if that'll really work out the way I wanted to. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll probably use this figure only to appear in one stop motion, which would maybe the upcoming stop motion. I was going to make a stop motion this week. I might still, but chances are I'll probably make it like next week or something. So stay tuned for that. But anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh wait, no, I just use this.